Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today we are going to learn how to see which Gmail emails are unread. So friend, in this video I will show you step-by-step process to see unread emails in Gmail. And friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we're uploading this type of videos every day. So friend, let's get started. First, we are going to open Google Chrome. And here we are going to open Gmail. And here you can see on the top search bar, here we are going to type Unread and then press enter. So friend, here you can see that here my all unread emails are showing. So here Gmail will show you only unread emails. Now here I'm going to show you some useful searches which can help you to optimize your work on Gmail. So friend, if you want all unread email, you can simply type this things is :unread. So all your email will show you. Okay. If you want to do particular email unread, okay, so what you will do? For example, here we have this Alibaba email. Okay, so first we are going to see that email. So click on this way, and here I'm going to copy this email, and now here we are going to type from : and here we are going to paste that email. Okay, and then we type :unread. Okay, and then press enter. So only this email ID's unread email will showing. Okay, so friend, now I'm going to share with you unread email with attachments. Okay, so how we can do that? So here we are going to cancel these things, and now here we are going to type :unread. Then here we are going to type has attachment. Okay, so simply has : attachment. Okay, and press enter. So here you will get the list of attachment which you not read. Okay, so by this simple searches too, you can do that. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you unread in inbox. Okay, how we can do that? Let's see. So here we are going to simply type in : inbox, and then we type :unread. Okay, and then press enter. So friend, here you will see all the emails which not read will showing over here. Okay, now I'm going to share with you a different thing. Here we are going to see unread older than 7 days email. Okay, so how we can do that? So here we are going to type something, so you will get the idea, right? So here we are going to type :unread, and here we are going to type older. Okay, then underscore, then, and here we are going to do : 7 days. Okay, 7 days. 7D, that means 7 days. Okay, then press enter. So friend, here you will get 7 days older emails which you not read. That list will be showing. Okay, so friend, by this way you can easily search emails which not read. Okay, and I hope friend this video helped you. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.